than in the third set, ano? Pero the block was there.
But still, you have to remember, talagang yung defense ng NU would really center on Pineda. That's for sure.
Cortel goes too wide. And NU retaking the lead against Adamson, 19-18. Coach Meneses calls for a timeout. Let's listen in.
Papaluin mo lang ng mahusay eh. Ayaw mo block. Ha? May, hindi ka na kumuha ng block. Ha? Dalawa lagi ang block sa open, dalawa block sa 4. May, talo na mo. Maganda. Para maiwan yung isang block kay Beba. Okay lang yan. Receive lang natin na maganda. Paikot lang tayo. Ha? May, trabaho. Di pa tapos.
Again, Coach Meneses stressing kailangan natin umikot because Pao Soriano is still on the bench and waiting for the rotation to get her back on the floor. Pero the big problem now is Santiago is serving again. And that serve has been lethal. She gets at least mga 2-3 points, ano?
Yep. And especially that Listana is really not having a good day.
There's another poor reception on the part of
And Pineda
Adamson.
going for it.
Pineda again. Aganon. Aganon has really stepped in very well for Myla Pablo here today.
That's right. And again, it has to be a team effort for NU if they really want to win it over big teams, stronger teams.
2-point lead for National University. Looking to close it out in set number 4. Overset. And an easy kill. Almost, not quite. Not if you're going up against Adamson. Nothing is that easy. Aganon again. Zapanta will set it up. Pineda. Back set, Cortel. Block is there! What performance by Dadang on the defensive end.
That's right. And NU, the second best blocking team, once again going to where they play it best.
3-point lead by NU. Let's check it back again with Adamson.
Hindi pa naman tapos eh, di ba? Eh, napapalo naman eh. O yung cover natin dun wala. Hindi pa naman tapos ah. Tapos na ba? Napatay na ba? O hindi pa pala eh. O tatlo. Pigil tayo, pigil ha. Isang receive. Kaliwa. Ha?
Adamson lost 2 straight points after the last timeout. That was 1918.
Yes.
Let's see how Adamson, a team well known for adjusting on the fly and correcting their mistakes, how they react now. Santiago is still serving. 21-18. NU up 2 sets to 1.
Another poor first ball.
Salibad. Aganon. Guevara blocked by Dadang. Pineda again.
Well, NU has been doing well on defense.
Pineda. The defense
Especially
impeccable, you know.
Santiago.
Para sa NU. Cortel had to readjust. Back row hit. Off speed coming from Santiago. Free ball for NU. Oh my!
Listana giving it back.
Another back row hit.
Oh!
Santiago!
With an off speed, works it once again.
And you saw how NU hung on in there against a very experienced Adamson team.
That's so right. They were not letting go. They were just focused on the ball, and this is a well-deserved point for NU.
The plays were broken. They were
Yes.
just making things up, pero yun nga, they stuck in there, hung on to each other, and pulled the point out. 4-point lead for NU. Reyes will set it up.
You know, they did Santiago, impeccable defense.
unbelievable NU team we're seeing. Now, this is the NU team, I'm pretty sure Sports Director Janelle Baculi and Coach Francis Vicente know of. But yun nga, the team doesn't know that they are capable of this.
Right.
23-18, nakapako na ang Adamson. After 2 timeouts by Coach Meneses, nothing has changed.
At napako na rin si Dindin Santiago dun sa service na yan,
true.
which has been happening from the get-go.
Guevara, nice save by Reyes. Santiago doing it all, pero not that time.
Well, this is what Makatuto should have done. Giving it to different people.
Pakinggan ulit natin ang Adamson 23-19 NU with the lead.
Oh, hindi pa yan tapos. 3 lang yan. Ha? Tara, ha?
Huwag ka mabitang. Kaya pa yan! Dapat lang yan. May project ka. Taka mo na.
Hindi. Service na mo na maganda.
Ikaw mag-taglan, ha?
Let's go, let's go. Tara, tara.
Tara! Dauter! Sabi to. Alanson! 25!
Now it's Adamson's turn to fight to stay alive in the set.
The fight to stay on in this game, and again have that crack the second spot with the twice to beat advantage.
Well, Agano has really stepped in very well.
That's also why Myla Pablo is on the bench, you know. And when you're given the moment, this is what I always tell you, mga second team players. You gotta be ready. You have to be ready. Your time will come, and when it comes, you have to perform.
And that's the lady in the spotlight. At match point, serving. Pineda. And that is out.
Wide. That is wide. And you win this. Woo! What a hard-fought game.
They played with heart.
Yup.
They played together despite the errors, despite the inexperience, the immaturity. They came out on top this time. And nakabawi dito sa Adamson after losing in 5 sets in the first meeting. They beat Adamson in 4 sets.
And it was nice seeing them work well as a team. Diba? Yun na nagiging problema. Individually, they're very good. But as a team, yung cohesiveness inside the court. But now, we saw it. And yung attitude, the holding on, and giving out their best. And yung want was there. You saw in the face of Dindin Santiago. Talagang they really want this game.
And speaking of Dindin Santiago, she is our best player of the game, obviously, for the kind of performance she's had today. This is brought to you, of course, by Shakey's Fun Family Pizza. Let's send it over courtside to Judy Sarro.
Yes, Eric, kasama ko nga ngayon ang Shakey's best player natin na si Dindin Santiago. Dindin, ano ba yung naging mindset nyo going into today's game na nakapagdulot ng panalo nyo?
Kasi nung sa training namin, talagang nag-go hard kami kasi nung game namin ng UST, siguro naghanda kami pero hindi lumabas lahat yung pinag-training na, yung mga tin-training namin. So, yung ngayon, lahat kami naniniwala kami sa sarili namin, nagtitiwala kami sa mga ka-teammate namin na alam namin mananalo kami today.
And gaano ba ka-importante itong panalo nyo ito?
Sobrang importante kasi gusto namin lahat pumasok ng Final Four eh. Tapos, inisip namin yung pagmamahal namin sa isa't isa na kung gusto ko, gusto din nila. Kaya, yun.
May gusto ko bang batiin, Nini?
Binabati ko yung mga teammate ko, yung pamilya ng teammate ko, Dadang Perez, Reyes, Desta, Kawikaan. At saka binabati ko yung lolo ko sa bahay, si Mami Lu, si Daddy Boy, si Gail, si Kuya Axel, si Dayan, si mama ko sa Israel, tatay ko sa Nueva Ecija, tsaka yung mga pamilya niya, tsaka hi kay Mayora Pineda, tsaka nagpapasalamat ako sa mga coaches ko na sumusuporta sa amin at saka manager namin.
Thank you, Dindin, and congratulations sa panalo ngayon. Back to you, Eric.
Thanks, Judy. Some of the players of National University in tears
Oh, yes.
after this win today because tulad nga nasabi ni Dindin Santiago, they wanted to win, they want to make it to the Final Four, but they're still a few steps away.
Yep, and it was a hard-fought game. It was nice seeing them fight it out. That is what we want to see in them. And finally, at least in this game, so ito, in question naman yung next game, but
That's true.
they have to celebrate muna because talagang it was a hard match for them.
Well, USD looking to keep that hold on the 4th and final spot in the standings against FEU, another team fighting to stay alive and getting that Final Four berth as well. NU winning over Adamson in 4 sets. Thanks to our director, Abed Ramos, and producer, Ada Bayuga. For Apple David, Judy Sarrell, my partner, Mosey Ravena, I'm Eric Ripan. Hang on for the main event. This Wednesday afternoon, it is USD, FEU next. Dito lang sa Studio 23, hatid sa inyo ng ABS-CBN Sports.